In Ditmas Park. After pleading for months, they finally have a new lunch menu for their children. Students and local leaders cut the ribbon today on a new salad bar in the cafeteria. Since the fall, parents collected 400 signatures demanding a change to the menu. The previous menu included red meat almost every day, which conflicted with the religious observances of many students. Some children actually went without lunch because of it. Parents also wanted healthy options for all students.
So he asked me, Daddy, I don't want to drink everyday juice and chocolate and cheese and butter.
We'll have things like kale. We'll have things like sweet potato. The thing is, the vegetarian options are not on the side dishes. They're main focus. The new menu will start Monday. Parents hope to keep introducing healthy options to the cafeteria selection. I'm Christina.
News 12 Brooklyn is brought to you in part by Resorts World Casino, New York City. Enjoy 5,000 games, elegant dining, and
free installation and free patty, all for just $4.99. We'll even laminate any room for $6.99.